Arushi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It's been so long since I've said this. मतलब actually अर्ज़े हो चुके हैं जब से मैंने आप बोला है and like I've vlogged properly and everything. But welcome back to a new series on my channel. I haven't really posted since a while, but अब जो मेरी life में हो रहा है, it's very exciting, it's very new, and I really wanted to document it. So I'm moving cities again because पिछले 12 महीनों में I've moved between two countries. Then I again moved cities and now I'm again moving cities. So like I'm feeling like बंजारा, like कोई घर कोई ठिकाना कुछ नहीं है, मैं बस मूव ही किए जा रही हूँ. तो अगर आपको पता नहीं था, मैं इससे पहले नॉटिंघम में थी for my graduation and I graduated in July and I came back. मैंने यहाँ पे अपनी job, I didn't want to work there, so I came back to India and my parents live in Ahmedabad, but so I came to Ahmedabad from the UK and from Ahmedabad I shifted to Gurgaon for a job. So I was working as a PR person for this PR and marketing agency in Gurgaon, and I have been working with them since September and it's January now. So now I got a new job in a new company in a new city which is Pune. तो अब मैं गुड़गांव से पुणे शिफ्ट हो रही हूँ basically. So I hope कि आप लोगों को ये series अच्छी लगे and you guys enjoy this whole move. Right now I'm currently packing my Gurgaon house, like an apartment sort of a thing. It's a studio apartment, so I have my own kitchen here, I have an attached balcony there, I have a washroom, I have a double bed. So it's basically a studio apartment is what you call it, and I've been living here since the past 6 months. And अब मुझे पिछले अपने 6 महीनों का सब कुछ पैक करके मूवर्स एंड पैकर्स के साथ आधा सामान अहमदाबाद भेजना है जहाँ पे मेरे पेरेंट्स रहते हैं और आधा पुणे भेजना है जहाँ पे अब मैं जाके घर ढूंढने वाली हूँ. अब मुझे बस मेरे पास 2-3 बॉक्सेस जो मैंने बेड के नीचे रखे हुए थे, कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्सेस, उन कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्सेस के अंदर और जो मेरे पास एक सूटकेस है उसके अंदर मुझे अभी बस सामान भरना है. Like right now that's literally all I have to do, aimlessly just put things in suitcases and boxes. Yeah, it's a little overwhelming if I'm being very honest, because like when you're moving, you usually have friends and family to help you out and all of that, but ये सब मैं अकेले कर रही हूँ और मेरे पास बस 2 दिन है ये करने के लिए. एक्चुअली बस आज का दिन है बिकॉज कल सुबह 11 बजे मूवर्स एंड पैकर्स आ जाएंगे, तो मैं थोड़ी सी स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ. बट इसलिए मैं व्लॉग कर रही हूँ बिकॉज जब व्लॉग करती तो यू फील लाइक यूर नॉट अलोन. तो हाँ, आई होप कि मैं सब अच्छे से कर लूँ कि मेरे साथ पैकिंग नहीं हो रही है. तो आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट टाइम एंड आई वांट टू डू समथिंग एल्स. सो ऑफ कोर्स सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग काम करूँगी मैं अब, विच इज़ मैं बर्तन धोऊंगी. सो अलॉन्ग विद पैकिंग, मतलब पैकिंग के लिए मेरे को अपने सारे बर्तन भी पैक करने हैं. एंड मैं खाना खा रही थी तो मेरे सारे बर्तन अभी सिंक में है जो मुझे धोने हैं. मेरे को लगा था कि यूके से जब मैं इंडिया जाऊंगी लाइक बर्तन नहीं धोने पड़ेंगे, लाइफ बेटर हो जाएगी, ये वो. बट आई रियलाइज कि आई नेवर लेफ्ट द यूके लाइफ क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे भी अकेले रहती हूँ तो खाना भी खुद बनाती हूँ, बर्तन भी खुद धोती हूँ. हाँ, like I have someone who comes and cleans the room and everything, but खाना and बर्तन खुद ही करने पड़ते हैं. So before we dive more into the moving vlog, I just quickly wanted to come here and talk to you guys about 2 skincare products that I've been using. It's been a while since I've shared my recommendations, so I thought why not. So I've been dealing with a lot of skin issues lately. My skin was actually surprisingly doing really well beach mein, and ekdam se I don't know what happened and my skin started flaring up, and I think it's majorly the lack of sleep and the lack of balanced food that I've been eating. And I think I also beach mein started experimenting with a lot of skincare, so I was layering up a lot of chemicals on my skin and I realized my skin was not liking it. So I did some research and I wanted to shift to a more clean and more minimal sort of a skincare routine. That's where I actually wanted to also experiment with more Ayurveda and more Ayurvedic products, more natural, more clean. And I read about Kumkumadi. When you think about Kumkumadi, you do think about Kama Ayurveda. So I've been using 2 of their products. So the first one is the Kumkumadi Clarifying and Brightening Cleansing Oil, and the other one is the Kumkumadi Rejuvenating and Brightening Night Cream. Now I've replaced my normal cleanser and my micellar water with this oil, and it's actually been working really well for me. So the texture is actually really nice, and so is the scent. It makes you feel like your skin is squeaky clean once you use it. And the cream is what has my heart. The tub also comes with a wooden spoon, which is great. It makes you feel very luxurious. What I love about the cream is majorly the consistency. consistency. Now I've used a lot of night creams, and what I have noticed is that night creams don't stay very well on me. A, they make me sweat, and B, I don't wake up with the same moisture the next day. What this cream has been doing for me is the texture is actually really thick like butter, but it's really lightweight at the same time. So I put this up after I cleanse my face and I go to sleep, and trust me when I say this, I wake up with glowing and really just soft skin. Like my skin just has the moisture still, along with the promising texture. What I really like about the cream is also the ingredients list. So this does have red saffron, which is sourced from Kashmir, so it's a really pure ingredient, and saffron is proven to do a lot of good to you internally and externally. Along with that, it also has aloe vera and licorice, which is also really good for your skin. It's antiseptic for your skin, and it really heals your skin altogether. I'll have both of these products linked down below for you guys to check out, and if you want to grab some offers on these exciting products, definitely check the description box down below. And yeah, get your hands on these products if you're also struggling with similar things like mine. And with that, now let's quickly get back into the moving vlog. हेलो, तो जब मैंने लास्ट व्लॉग किया था, मैं बर्तन धो रही थी to sort utensils out, and after that I went out to my park to do a few things, and I met with my friends. Wow guys, तुमने बोला vlog करो, तुम vlog में देख भी नहीं रहे हो. You're being candid just for the vlog. ये इतना कोई काम नहीं है. ये अभी बस vlog के लिए busy होने की pretend कर रहे हैं. इन्होंने मुझे बोला कि चलो vlog. इन्होंने मुझे बोला कि तुम मेरे साथ vlog क्यों नहीं कर रहे. फिर मैंने vlog start किया, फिर उन्होंने vlog में hi भी नहीं बोला. मैं वापस try कर रही हूँ सब कुछ. So basically, अभी what I'm doing is I'm packing my winter clothes because all the summer clothes have been packed. And these guys are also being very sweet, and they're helping me sort my kitchen stuff out. So any loose like grocery pantry thing they're putting in boxes. And then tomorrow when the kya? Shut up. And then tomorrow when the movers and packers will come, they'll just have all of these boxes like stuff in other cardboard boxes. So that's what's happening right now. Once we're done with packing, we're going to do. तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो? हाँ ये खाने में. तो इसके बाद हम थोड़ा स्लीपोर में मस्ती करेंगे. That sounds so wrong. But yeah, so I will see you once I'm done packing. तुमने exactly किया क्या है? मेरे को समझ नहीं आया.
अरे हमने arrange कर दिया so that they can just pick this.
और बहुत सारे एक में डाल दिए.
Oh.
और हमने बस
अब बेसिकली मूवर्स एंड पैकर्स आके सारी चीज़ें एक बॉक्स में डाल देंगे, और वो जो ग्लास की चीज़ें वो अलग डाल देंगे, पैक कर देंगे, और टोस्टर वगैरह अलग पैक कर. इंडक्शन ले जाओ फ्लॉक का. Hi guys, good morning. So I've just made breakfast. It's the next day of like packing, and all of my packing got done last night. I finished everything. Everything's in place, and now it's 10:30. I'm just waiting for the movers and packers to come so that they can, like come and just pack everything. So this is how my room looks right now. That's all the cartons I've packed. That's all the packets. Like I've basically put all the loose things in packets, and then all they have to do is आके like डब्बों में अंदर चीजें रख देनी है. बाकी सब पैक हो चुका है, and I'm super proud of myself for like carrying this out and packing literally my entire life of 6 months in one place all by myself without help. I feel like UK में ये तो change आया है कि after going to the UK I've become a lot more independent, where I don't feel like I need mama or papa or like help. कल रात को आफ्टर अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं हुई, मुस्कान को भी नीचे भेज दिया था. I was like, you guys go and like let me like be alone and like just pack everything because I think that will be a lot faster. So yeah, अभी मैंने खुद के लिए basically breakfast बनाया है. So I've made a paneer bhurji sandwich because once the movers and packers come, I won't be able to eat anything. So I just quickly made breakfast, and I'm just gonna eat. After this, I'm gonna be meeting my friend. After the entire thing is done, I'm gonna be meeting Bhuvan because he leaves the UK soon. So I really wanted to meet him. And yeah. Hello. Okay, so packing is done. All of my shipments have gone. So literally अब मेरा पूरा room खाली है. It overall took almost like 1.5-2 hours. वो इसलिए भी था क्योंकि मेरे को पता नहीं था कि जो movers and packers होते हैं वो आके आपका like क्लोथ्स वगैरह भी खुद कर देंगे. तो कल रात को बैठ के मैंने हर चीज स्टफ की है, सूट केसेस में, कार्टन्स में, कल तय कर करके आई डिड एवरीथिंग. But I'm happy because I would have been a little uncomfortable if someone else was, like, I don't even let my parents like pack for me. I get very uncomfortable if someone is like going through my saman and like, खुद जब pack कर रहे होते हैं. So I'm glad मैंने वो खुद कर लिया. So this is the last straw of my packing. मैं बहुत टाइम से अहमदाबाद में हूँ. मैं 20th को आ गई थी, आज 30th है एंड कल मेरी फ्लाइट है पुणे. So पिछले like 10 दिन I've just been chilling at home, spending time with family before I moved to a new city, and also spending time with my animals. So I don't think you've met all of them. This one is Molly. We rescued her during COVID, the second wave of COVID. This on me is Mowgli. My sister and my mom basically got him to Ahmedabad from Goa. He is also a rescue. And you guys, I think, already have or might have seen Mao. He was our first rescue cat. We rescued him from our basement. He is the eldest also. तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं लेके जा रही हूँ. I'm just packing just a few things because मेरा maximum सामान तो already पुणे पहुंच चुका है. So sleep, it's 1 AM. If my mom sees this part of the vlog, she's just gonna get really annoyed. So I'm gonna go sleep and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is the day of moving from Ahmedabad to Pune finally. So me and my mom, we have a flight to Pune just today and I have to get ready in the next 15-20 minutes.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when
Now that you guys are 10 to 12 minutes into this moving to Pune vlog, here's a plot twist. I actually didn't end up taking the job and I didn't move to Pune. So the minute I landed in Pune, I had this weird sinking feeling, and no, it was not nervousness. I've done this before. I've moved cities, I've moved countries, and this was not it. I now believe that it was a gut feeling of all the emotional turmoil me and my family were going to go through in the coming week. In Pune, we went to some 30-odd flats, met some 15-odd brokers, went to the dingiest apartments, the dingiest localities, met the rudest people, had a weird experience with the company I was going to join. And I didn't vibe with the city, didn't vibe with the people. And we also had something back home, a family emergency. And me and my mom decided to leave everything and fly back home. So the rest I'm going to talk to you guys face to face. Hi. Clearly I'm in a completely different backdrop and in a completely different place. As you guys have already heard, the plot twist of this entire vlog, of this entire moving to Pune vlog, that I actually didn't end up moving to Pune, and I'm back in Ahmedabad with literally my entire life in boxes. To give you some context, Pune didn't work out and I'm just glad it didn't, because I got to be with family for the past 1 month because our family needed to be together. There was just a lot going on in my life. After Pune, me and my mom, we rushed to Ahmedabad because my dog wasn't well. For people who have not had a dog, you might not relate to this, but after a point, your pet becomes family. So Abby for me was always my little sister. She came into my life when I was 13 and I'm going to turn 23. So she's been in my life for like 10 years and she's changed me and my entire family in so many ways. And when I came back from Pune, within 2 days we did end up losing her. and then we had a whole 10-day like puja thing. So our entire family was just involved in that, and we were just letting ourselves and giving ourselves a time to heal. And I was also recovering from the whole not having a job and coming back and living with your family again and finding a new job. So I just had a lot of things going on in my life. Anyway, coming on to the good news of this vlog, the reason why I'm posting this vlog right now is because I got a new job. So I needed to restart everything. I want to, have a fresh start, give myself that chance, and I applied to new jobs, and I'm happy to inform you guys that I have a new job now, and thankfully it's in Gurgaon. So as you guys know, I have lived in Gurgaon for really long. My friends, my family, a lot of people that I love live in Gurgaon. So I'm moving back, and I'm moving into a new space, and I'm going to be redoing the entire space, and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. My flight is in 2 days, and I am so excited to take you guys on this journey with me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'm going to be ending this here because I feel like this has become too long. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for being so patient in the months that I've gone into complete isolation. I am healing, and I'm getting back to filming, and I'm very, very excited to start this new series for you guys, my moving series and my living alone series. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any pets and have good stories to tell me about them, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear your experience with your animals, because I really, really miss Abby. So yeah, with that, I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.